This news is important if you want to write JAMB again. This 2025 JAMB. JAMB, I announced to you earlier that JAMB gave an opportunity for people to rewrite their JAMB so that if you had issues in your first JAMB, that main UTME or the rescheduled UTME, you had issues with it, you have an opportunity to rewrite. And I'm giving you this video, this directly from JAMB official Twitter handle. They made a post just a few hours ago, yesterday, telling you that mop-up, about JAMB mop-up, right? Mop-up, they call this one mop-up, okay? There is opportunity for you to mop up your score. I mean, if you do not write, there is an opportunity for you to write and do better in your JAMB. And all of you have been asking me, what is the date? What is the date? JAMB has now given us the date. Mop up UTME scheduled for Saturday, 28th June. The exam will be on Saturday, 28th June. Candidates to commence printing of examination notification slips from Monday, 23rd, from today, 23rd June. Saturday, 28th June has been approved for the conduct of the 2025 UTME mop-up examination. So this one will be the final opportunity to write JAMB, the final opportunity to rewrite your JAMB. And they are calling it a mop-up on Saturday, next Saturday, 28th of June. Okay, now this examination will accommodate the 5,096 spillover candidates, those who failed biometric verification during the main exercise. Also, due to the special dispensation granted to absentee candidates of the main exam, if you couldn't write your JAMB, your main JAMB, or the receipt JAMB that was written in Enugu, Anambra, Boy, Abia, Imo and Lagos State. You remember when there was a glitch and those people had to write, okay? If you couldn't write, maybe you were rescheduled, you couldn't write because of finance or any reason, you have an opportunity if you miss any of your exam. Due to special dispensation granted to absentee candidates of the main receipt exam, 91,742 candidates who were absent in either the first JAMB or the receipt JAMB have the opportunity in both or either of the main or receipt exam would also be given this opportunity, which is only for 2025 UTME. They don't normally do this, it's just for this year. Thus, 96,838 candidates are being rescheduled. How many did I say? 96,838 candidates are being rescheduled for the 2025 mop-up exercise in 183 centers across the nation, while others are kept on standby. We don't yet know what JAMB will do. So what does this mean for you? It means that you should go to your profile and check if you were rescheduled. If you want to rewrite, let me know. If you want to know if you are to rewrite, let me know. But go to your profile, check. If you don't know whether you're rescheduled, you can go to a JAMB approved CBT center to know if you are among those. You don't need to miss this exam. It's the final opportunity for you. You don't need to miss it. Okay, go now, check if you were rescheduled. Check if you have the opportunity to rewrite your JAMB so that you can increase your score and increase your chances of entering school. By the way, keep preparing. If you have any question to ask me, feel free to ask me right now. You don't know if you are rescheduled, you have an issue with uploading your O-level result, you have not seen your result, just feel free to ask me. But first, you need to join our YouTube channel. Click on join now and join. Then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and answer all your questions. There is an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.